Okay guys, we're off to sales. Should be good. So we're on the way to sales. Yeah. Is there...
Drinking and driving, smoking that stuff. Yeah.
So this is one of the boat yards. This is power boats, Trinidad and Tobago. Everywhere you look, pretty much, there's boats. Give you a little 360 view there. You could actually hitch a ride to go down to the islands, the smaller islands surrounding Trinidad and Tobago. Hey!
Cheers, wake up there.
Okay, let's roll.
In here?
I
Okay.
need a pee, but leave it.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, same thing here. Them beers in them. I find them the maker.
What's up, the bears and I'm going through.
Yep. Wow. Fire.
See the man.
Same thing my mom said the same thing. She was like, beers are just good too.
I not do anything going through.
Oh, let's hold on. Let's go. Oh, man.
Four beers later.
Yeah, I know. Come on, let's see how mean the zoom on this is.
Gonna get you a drink.
Yeah, actually see the faces on the boat.
Yeah, I'll show you. Let's come on this side.
Let's talk to the Rasta man. So you bringing some buffalo wings?
Actually, I think about buying that.
It's not here today.
Treasure shrimp or
No,
cream
it's not.
cheese.
Why?
Cream cheese wonton,
Daddy
so that's
was
pretty good.
Is that in this one?
Eddie, my feet are pissed.
Yeah. Okay, so we're leaving power boats now. It's pretty cool down here. Palm trees in the back, but yeah, there's some like sand flies or something like that that are attacking us. Yeah, I can fight. I can fight. So we are moving location. I'm serious, we are moving. Okay, guys. So we have shifted location, and we are now at, where's this called, Keegan?
I believe Wheelhouse.
Wheelhouse. Like, not to be confused with Weed House. Don't get too excited, alright? It's Wheelhouse. Do it again. It's Wheelhouse, alright? So what it looks like.